2017 Volkswagen Tiguan, how to check your coolant fluid level. You're going to pop your hood, and the reservoir bottle is going to be right behind the passenger side headlight. You're going to check it using the minimum and maximum lines. This one is overfilled. The minimum is right here, and the maximum is right here. You want to be in between those cross hatches and those two lines. And if you do need to fill it up, you want to make sure you do it when the car is cold. You're going to use a rag on top of it, so that way, in case any pressure releases, it doesn't burn you. You slowly remove it while keeping pressure on the top of the cap. So in case pressure does push up, you can hold it down. Gently release it. You're going to hear some noises coming, some psh noises. That is normal. Just do it nice and easy. And if you are hearing a lot of that pressure release, maybe just slow down, let it release the pressure, and then gently remove it after that. Remember, this is very hot steam, and it could really burn you. Once that's off, you can go ahead and fill it up, put the cap back on, tighten it back down, all the way down, and that's how you check and refill your coolant level.